I want to show you the one thing that I do every morning before I take anything, even if it's high quality supplements. Through doing this in the morning, you boost the efficiency of supplements or any other healthy things you do afterwards for your digestion and for your overall health. It literally just takes 1 minute. I'm going to show you 2 options, and yes, you can combine them, and I do. So let's do the first one. Make sure you have time now to do this with me. Otherwise, just save the playlist to watch later. So you need to stand hip width apart. See my feet here? Yes, perfect. Hip width apart, shoulders open, like chest open, arms to the back, shoulders relaxed. You can tuck the tailbone in a little bit so you're not overarching like that. So spine upright. Then all we do is bouncing, and we do this for 1 minute. Lifting up, breathing, letting the arms be really soft and just everything is relaxed. You only move the feet. What this will do for you is, well, of course, it activates the lymphatic system, but it also increases your gut motility in a good way. Activates the digestive system, helps you with grounding. Smile and relax while you're doing this. Open the jaw. You can look silly because you're not on the camera right now. If you feel like jumping and you have a rebounder, that's also great. Whatever feels best for you. This is really a moment where you tune in with your body. It's very grounding, also helps with mental clarity and just gives you off to a good start. You're doing great, activating the vagus nerve, doing something good for your nervous system, deactivating fight and flight. Okay, great. And then take a moment, put one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Close your eyes for a moment and just feel into your body. Allow yourself to feel the after effects of what you just did. If you want more time here, you can also pause the video, just connecting to your gut. And then we're going to come to the second one, also takes 1 minute, and that is working with the stomach meridian. The stomach meridian starts here in the middle of your cheekbones. So you feel, here's your eye, don't touch the eye, but under the eye, where the bone starts, in the middle you have a little dent. If you find it, try if you can find it, it's a little dent. Even if you don't find it, it's there, I assure you. It's better to do this without glasses. Find that point here on both sides in the middle. Yes, great. And then we're going to do 3 fingers, or I also just do 4 fingers, whatever feels best for you. We're going to really strong tapping, not emotional freedom technique, EFT. So no soft tapping, but really with a lot of pressure. This is also 1 minute, so start now. If you do it right, the skin should be a bit red at the end. You don't hurt yourself, but you need some pressure. So on that point, again, relax and smile. This technique is one of my favorite ones when it comes to digesting things, digesting food better, digesting experiences, digesting stress or trauma. You're doing great. Keep going. Has this immediate grounding effect. And of course, because it's a stomach meridian, it has a massive impact on your digestion, but not only. So if you want, you can also close your eyes. Make sure you have a lot of pressure here. You can see my cheeks are already getting red. It's a very powerful point. Donna, energy medicine. I'm going to link you to her book down there. I studied with her. I love this woman. She healed herself from multiple sclerosis and impacted millions of people all over the world, including me. You can also feel into your feet. Let your hands come down, and we do the same thing. Put both hands on your belly, or one on the chest, one on the belly. Close your eyes. Just feel for a moment the effect in your body that this technique had. It's so simple, yet it's super powerful. If you want more time here to feel in, just pause the video. Otherwise, I would love to hear from you. How do you feel right now? Can we make a deal that you try at least one of the 2 for 7 days in a row, and let me know how this impacted your digestion? I guarantee you, if you really do it for those 7 days right after you wake up, even if it's just one of the 2, then comment down below with yes, I'm in. If you like this morning technique, I also have an equivalent to this that you can do before bed, which I highly recommend you to watch now. I'll link that video up here. And if you want more support, I created a gut repair cheat sheet with 6 simple rules that you can implement in your daily life without turning your life upside down.